Hello everyone on our channel, and this is the rubric Men's Cuisine. Today I'm going to cook Men's omelette. This omelette is cooking without milk. We know that milk makes omelette fluffy and water make it more juicy and more elastic. Very easy and very tasty as usual. Enjoy! For Men's omelette I will need 6 eggs, 50 grams of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, dash of salt, chopped paprika, chopped garlic, and chopped dry carrots, half of teaspoon for each. Right now I will break eggs and mix everything together. Vegetable oil, salt, spices, and water. Whip it by whisk. While I'm doing it, I put on fire pan and waiting until it heat up very well. On heated pan we pour our eggs. It is very important that pan should be heated up very well. In 30 minutes, with help of spatulas, you need to make such a simple moving from the edge toward the middle, till all eggs mass will become thick. It will take you around 5 minutes, but taste and result amazing. Else 1 minute and Men's omelette done. Leave it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes you could serve it. Very carefully you need to up it with spatulas. Cut it in 2 pieces and serve it on a plate. Easy moving. Basil, celery, and of course, as for each real man, meat. And also you could add any sauce that you like. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. Click the like button and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.